Welcome to Psyched for You, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of psychology. Today we're diving into the basics of psychology, a field that helps us understand the intricacies of the mind and behavior. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It emerged as a distinct discipline in the late 19th century, separating itself from philosophy. The mind is dynamic, constantly changing, and much of its information processing occurs below our conscious awareness. As a result, understanding its functions and dysfunctions has always been a challenge for experts. Psychology extends into numerous areas of activity, given the complexity and variety of human behavior. Research psychologists study the mind's many operations, while clinical psychologists treat dysfunctions. Beyond these, psychology is applied in fields like economics, sports, and even hospital design, showcasing its wide reach. Psychology seeks to understand the balance between internal and external forces that shape our behavior. Internal influences include our genes, temperament, and beliefs, while external factors encompass our relationships and environment. Together, they interact to mold our behavior in ways that are often beyond our awareness. At its core, psychology focuses on elements that give richness to human experience, including emotions, perception, memory, learning, and cognition. These processes are fundamental to how we interact with the world, store knowledge, and navigate our daily lives. Some well-established principles of psychology include the brain's role as a prediction machine, our resistance to change due to the discomfort of uncertainty, and the necessity of sleep for both physical and psychological health. These principles help us understand how we perceive the world and how our minds function. One of psychology's foundational discoveries is the conditioned response, demonstrated by Ivan Pavlov in the early 20th century. This basic form of learning shows how associations are made and how mental processes can be studied and measured. Psychology's applications are vast, from enhancing education and optimizing workplace productivity to improving legal proceedings and maximizing sports performance. Its principles help us understand and improve various aspects of human life. Psychology is constantly evolving, with new tools and discoveries shaping our understanding of the mind. As we continue to learn more, psychology will remain an essential field for understanding human nature and helping individuals thrive. Thank you for joining us on this brief journey through the basics of psychology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Psyched for You for more insights into the human mind and behavior. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.